Today we're diving into a treat that's about to make your taste buds dance: banana tart. Get ready for a delightful journey of flavors and textures. Let's craft the soul of our tart. The filling. Crush 3 ripe bananas. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of butter and drop those mashed bananas in. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and give it a good mix. Now, elevate the taste with a drop of vanilla essence. For a richer color, I'm adding a drop of soy sauce, but you can skip this if you've used brown sugar. To achieve that dreamy consistency, add 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Keep stirring until it's just right. Not too thick, not too watery. Now let's work on the foundation, the crust. In a bowl, combine 2 cups of plain flour, 1 cup of butter, a pinch of salt, and a drop of vanilla essence. Mix until it forms a smooth dough. If needed, add a bit more butter for that extra silkiness. Roll out the dough to match your oven pan size. Use a fork to create tiny vents, then carefully transfer your banana-filled joy onto the dough. With the remaining dough, fashion strips to place atop your tart. Ensure they snugly sit over the banana filling. Into the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. And voila! Our banana tart is now ready to be savored. A beautiful medley of sweet banana perfection and buttery crust. Hey, wonderful people! If you're vibing with my recipes, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and join my channel, Masha Cooking Tales. I would love to notify you each time I prepare a new dish. Let's rock this together. Love you all.